Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, more so late in the day, but not only from the price action perspective. You look down here at the volume, and like I said, late in the day, I mean, the majority of the volume came in this afternoon, and the price reacted nicely with it. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 90 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 90, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I get it, that line's way down below the price. But as Friday and then next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 90 would be great, but as far as the grand scheme of it all is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. Quite a bit of them hanging out right around that 93-cent mark. I realize the price did peak its head above there, but like I said, I think the main point that I'm trying to get across is the general price congestion area is right up around 93 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going into Friday. All in all, though, anyway, look at the chart. A very powerful move today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.